Humor me for a moment. Imagine you're in a room filled with delicious mouth-watering donuts, but alas, there's a catch. You're told you can only have one, just one. So, you choose the most decadent, sugar-coated one and savor every bite. But here's the kicker. As soon as you step out of that room, you realize there's an entire bakery at your disposal, just waiting to be explored. Quite a bummer, isn't it? That, my friends, is the essence of a scarcity mindset. Like a blinkered horse, it limits your vision, making you believe there's only one donut or one opportunity for you. But is that really the case? Take the example of Elon Musk. Born in Pretoria, South Africa, Musk didn't let his humble beginnings dictate his future. Instead of focusing on what he didn't have, he adopted an abundance mindset. He dreamt big, worked hard, and today he's the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, among other ventures. As Musk once said, when something is important enough, you do it, even if the odds are not in your favor. Or consider Oprah Winfrey, who rose from poverty to become a media mogul. She didn't let her circumstances define her. Instead, she embraced an abundance mindset, believing there was a world of opportunities waiting for her. And boy, was she right. Today, she's one of the most influential women in the world, with a net worth of over $2 billion. These individuals didn't allow the scarcity mindset to dictate their lives. Instead, they broke free from its shackles, embraced the abundance mindset, and reaped its rewards. They understood that, like a bakery full of donuts, there are countless opportunities in life waiting to be seized. So what about you? Are you going to limit yourself to one donut, or are you ready to explore the bakery? If you're ready to adopt an abundance mindset, to seize the opportunities life has to offer, join us at the Make Money Mastery 2024. It's not just an event, it's a journey towards financial freedom, towards an abundant life. Don't just watch others succeed, be the success story. Take the leap, explore the bakery. Because remember, there's always more than one donut waiting for you. So click that link in the bio and secure your spot at Make Money Mastery 2024. There's a whole world of abundance waiting for you.